People's Freedom Movement YouTube, Facebook. Invite Clement Edegbe in Dallas, Texas. Please share this video. Looking for I just watched his video now. He's currently ranting on YouTube. He's ranting on YouTube. So I want to send my final warning message to him. Let me just back here. Yes, friends all over the world, fans all over the world. I have been receiving calls of concerns, calls of interest about the activities of Clement Edegbe, aka Eranomigho of People's Freedom Movement. Let me tell you something, You can mess with me. You hear me? You can mess with me. You can call me any kind of unprintable names. You can brand me. But stay clear from my children. Run. Anywhere you see my children, run. Anywhere you see my family, run. Keep my children's business out of your mouth. Don't stop using them to make YouTube money. Stop using them to make money on YouTube. Stop using my children to entertain your followers. Stop using my children to drag traffic. I am not an irresponsible father. You hear me? I am not an irresponsible father. Stop displaying my children's pictures, videos on your platform. You don't have the right. You didn't seek approval from me to do that. You have no right to lift my content. Whatever video I choose to do with my family, you have no right. You didn't seek my approval to upload them on your timeline. You have no right to analyze my life. You have no right to upload my children's videos. You have no right. My friend, you have no right. And this will not be funny, because I am gonna take it up legally with you. If you feel you are untouchable, it will get to a point you will understand. You will understand that we can actually take this off social media. You've been spoiling my name right from when I married. You've done videos say I cannot impregnate my wife. When my wife was in the labor room, I did not call you. I did not tell you anything. There is nothing you didn't say about my wife, about my family. You came online last year to rant about that my children, they were SS. We have the videos. You have been traumatizing my children. You have been intimidating them with your platform. You have been tormenting them. They don't get any business with you. If you have any business with me, you face me. I have never insulted your wife. I have never insulted your children. I have never uploaded your children's pictures. And I have never said anything about your children. The reason I'm saying this to you, you are an illiterate. The reason I'm saying this is nobody will call me Okoje. It's thunder that will strike you now, because I did not invite you here. Admin, block all these animals here, all these depressed people. So here where there are people that will call me. Abatila, Eranomigho. If I know you face to face, I will add you. If you call me when I am ready. I don't watch your videos. People have been calling me, and I will respond to you now. If it was just me, we will say let's do it social media to social media. You cannot continue to use the media to bully my children. You cannot. You don't have the right to upload my children's pictures. You don't. I only have the right to upload my children's pictures. You don't have the right. If you don't respect your children, I respect my children. I respect my family. You don't put my children pictures everywhere. I'm not saying you. They say me I neglect him. Don't tell me to neglect him. He cannot continue to use my children's picture to entertain his depressed followers. What it concern me and you, now the issue that you had with government. Since after election, I decided to stay away from you. But you refused. You refused. If you like cost me from that tomorrow, you don't concern me. But you have decided to intimidate my children. You are trying to give them cyber bully, which is already affecting them. It's affecting them as we speak. It's affecting my children as we speak. See, if you call me when I am game with Clement Edegbe, if you call me to beg for him, and this message should also go to Dennis Idahosa Denko. If you, I know you have a relationship now with Eranomigho, you need to call him to order. If he wants to insult me, you should go ahead. If I see you, if you upload my children's pictures again on your platform, you have a mother here, you have brothers here. We will start from there. Because I heard that it is your brother Anabo and your mothers, they are the ones operating some of your proxy accounts. I will sue them, and I will sue you in America. I will sue you in Nigeria. Problem when you know if you solve, now I go put you. If you have a business with me, if you have a media fight with me, you face me. You face me. You hear me? You face me. Please, I need this details of Destiny. There is one boy in his platform, Destiny. Please, help. I need the details of that Destiny. Please, I need the details of Mama Hesh. I don't know who is that Mama Hesh. I don't know her. Please, I need the details. Help me. Stop calling me to say, Eranomigho this. I need the details of Destiny. I need the details of Mama Hesh. I need their real phone number. I need their real name. They are part of what Eranomigho is doing against my family. Please, help me look for the real details of Destiny. Destiny, the boy that Eranomigho is using. If my brother or my mama, I don't know. I have very little to have. You have no right to upload my family pictures. You hear me? You don't get that right. Me, not concern you. You not concern you. And today, I am profiling government officials aligning with Eranomigho. If I catch Una, Eranomigho upload this part of this video. The day when I go know any government officials that did not come out to fight for the governor when Eranomigho was calling the governor gay, when he was saying the governor bought properties, when he was blackmailing the government and turning the people against the government. Una keep quiet. But now you people are secretly aligning with Eranomigho. I will mobilize against you. The day when I go catch you now. You people are making it look like this is Abad versus Eranomigho. It is Eranomigho versus the government. Because now government I defend when Eranomigho put my matter. There's no name, he has not called me. He don't call me also of name, but he has refused to tell us what his brother is going through today in Sweden. Somebody say Destiny is Kolisimuda. I don't know Kolisimuda. I need the full details, his full name. His full name, and his social media handles, Mama H and Destiny. Please, I need them. And if you are in Dallas, please, you are in Dallas, Texas, I will not release your name. I will not release. I need Eranomigho's address. Please. I need him. I need his address. It is time to do this legally. There are embassies. Not everything I will disclose online. Please, I need details of Destiny. I need details of Mama H. I need details of all the people calling him. I'm sure you guys know them. Please. 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 I need them. I need them. The government of Obaseki, they are now making it look like it is Abbas versus Eranomigho. I'm not the first to defend a sitting government, but they are making it look like it is Abbas' problem. He should go and face his problem. I don't know Eranomigho before, and I know what the government told me. So make we not go there. Any government officials, any politician aligning with Eranomigho, I will mobilize against you. I vow today. I don't know some, but I don't want to mention their names yet, because they assume say maybe they not really know what Eranomigho do.